celebrating this special day, a Father's Day, for my husband, the father of my children. Happy Father's Day to this amazing man, father of my 2 kids, who selflessly provide for all our needs, financially, emotionally, and spiritually. You have been a good father and a loving father to our kids, and I pray that you'll always be in communion to God, who gave us everything we need, protect us from and toward incidents, and you'll be happy every day of your life. I thank you also, my 2 kids, who provided for this special celebration for my husband. We love the food here. Ang sarap at ang ganda ng kanilang presentation. I really like the grains and the soup and all the seafoods that's in it. Masarap yung mga ihinain nilang mga seafood, ano? Hindi siya yung mga pipitsugin lang. At ang sarap din ng dessert nila. Actually, may show pa dyan kanina, which I already deleted kasi medyo mahaba-haba na yung video na to. But overall, we have a happy celebration and true enough.
You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love
celebration na to was
it's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you.
Father's Day na sila yung taya.
I'll be your best friend.
They're grown up and they're giving back and
I'll be your
guide. That we have done for our children, how we took care of them
whenever you need me.
In a good school.
I'll be by your side.
They show
I love you more and more and more each day.
Parents, no? Especially on occasions like
I love you more and more and more, more than I can say.
A very humble man who came from a
You're
very
my
humble
sweetest addiction, you're my
like
strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you.
And we're still living in the same house.
Waiting
And thank
for
you,
you
Lord,
all my
giving
life.
us a wonderful father.
You are my dream come true.
Cornerstone of our family. And
You're the light in the dark, unsad world of mine.
Lahat yan. Ako medyo
I'd be lost if not for you.
senior citizen now.
And I love you more and more and more each day.
We just came from
I love you more and more and more than I can say.
The kids enjoyed it a lot.
You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you.
Trips sa aming
It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb
thank you
as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you.
caring sa aming lahat.
I will never let you
Both of us
go.
came from a very poor family and
I will never let you go.
paunlad sa buhay. Kasama niya ako sa
You're my sweetest
awa.
addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you.
That's what matters. Kasi
It's true.
naging
There's no
very,
mountain I could not climb as
striving
long
din
as you
sila
are
sa kanilang
mine.
mga
And I
And it shows
thank you
kasi makikita mo
for
na umuunlad din
being
sila at a very
you. You're
young
my
age.
sweetest
Makita nila
addiction.
yung
You're my
pride.
strongest
And that drove them to
inspiration.
strive.
And I love
Thank you, Dad,
you.
for all of this. Alam ko,
It's true.
we enjoyed this
There's
food
no
and we
mountain
enjoyed the
I could not
celebration.
climb
But most of
as
all,
long
we
as you
enjoyed
are mine. And
all the
I
hard work
thank you
for all that you have done to
for
our family,
being
for all that you
you.
do to keep us safe, to put food in the table, and to make us happy all the time. Salamat at patuloy naming pinagdarasal ang iyong kalusugan, ang iyong safety, and most of all, yung happiness mo. Cheers sa aming father sa tahanan. Enjoy natin yung food. I like it very much. Haha. And ito na nga yung food namin. We have two different kinds of hot pot, no? Kaming mag-asawa, we ordered the tom yum soup. And sa kabila naman, yung mga anak namin, they ordered the mushroom soup. And then we ordered this, para sa soup na to, we have a lot of greens, mga vegetables yan. And we also ordered yung seafoods. And meron din kaming meat. Ayan. At kami na yung nagluluto. Ayun, meron din kaming salmon dyan. At isa-isa namin siyang nilalagay sa kumukulong hotpot na to. And ang daming sabaw. They keep on refilling it. Actually, meron din akong gusto dito, no? Yung herbal tea nila. Nakakatuwa. First time to be served this kind of tea. At ito na yung show na nangyayari kanina. I just recorded one segment, and it's a lone performer. It's a male performer. Nakadamit siya ng mga sinaunang mga damit ng mga Chino, at ito nga yung sinushow ko sila. Maganda yung restaurant na to. It has a stage where they can perform. And later on, makikita mo na yung performer na to is bumaba siya at nakikipag-harutan siya sa mga kumakain. Ang ganda ng place na to, actually very Chinese. Ang ganda ng decor nila. I like the color. Everything in Chinese, their food, their colors. Gustong-gusto ko. Nakakatuwa, diba? And later on din, sa show na to, meron ding female performer, which hindi ko na siya na-videohan kasi while we were eating, ito na yung show nila eh. So, ayokong nasa show na lang ako, recording and not eating. Kaya, isa lang yung ni-record ko. But, it's good enough for us to give us something to look back, yung memories namin, which is recorded and which is uploaded here in YouTube, no? Nakakatuwa. And here it is. Nakita nyo sa front pa lang pagpasok po pa lang ng restaurant, meron na sila yung parang structure na parang shade. And later on, makikita mo ang ganda nung yung sculpture made of stone na nasa frontal ng kanilang entrance. Ang ganda ng facade ng restaurant nito. And maluwag siya. It's a 2-floor restaurant. And nakakatawa. Ayan na nga siya, yung performer bumaba siya sa stage and nasa dining nasa dining floor siya. Ayan, kinakamayan niya yung mga diners at yung mga service staff nung nagkaroon ng birthday song. Kasi may mga birthdays dyan. 3 yata yung nag-birthday dyan. Participant din lahat ng mga staff. Wherever they are, nasa corridor sila, nasa balcony sila, nasa ground sila, pumapalakpak sila at kumakanta. Hindi sila yung nagkukumpulan sa isang lugar, but everywhere in the place, in the restaurant, kumakanta sila at talagang pumapalakpak. Ito yung dessert namin. It's a jello, pero iba siya. And ito yung sa corridor sa passageway sa baba. Ayan yung mga naka-display. Ayan yung parang carnivorous na fish na you can touch kasi ang taas din ng kanyang kinakalagyan kasi nga hindi siya pwedeng tumalon kasi nangangagat siya ng tao. Carnivorous talaga siya. Maganda. Overall, very satisfied kami sa restaurant na to, the food, the service, and the place itself. Ito na yung sinasabi kong painting nila. Ganda. And these are still shots for our memories. Ayan, ang ganda, diba? Thank you, Lord. God bless us all.